What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video I'm going to break down the MACD and the RSI in the Learn Plan Profit and my view on the best practices with those indicators, so stay tuned. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to cover the MACD and the RSI just very briefly. So right here you have a MACD and you're looking at a 30-minute time frame. Again, time frame is entirely up to you. The stronger the time frame, usually the stronger the indication, depending on how long you're planning on staying in the trade. So if we revert here to the MACD, on other systems, these white bars here you're looking at, they will be color coded. On SureTrader, unfortunately, they're not. So how to tell when it's down is when they're below the middle line here. It's in a downtrend and it's slightly oversold. When they're overbought and they're in an uptrend, they're slightly here raised above the line. So this is what you'll be looking for in a 30-minute chart. For example, in AKS on the 30-minute, the ticker, the price right now is 576. We're above the 20-day moving average on the Bollinger Band, and you're about to get a MACD crossover, which is an indication of a buy signal because we were slightly oversold here. If you look from the stock, we were overbought. We started to drop down. We continued to drop, and we crossed into an slightly oversold position here, and now this is giving us a perfect indication of a buy signal right about here on the MACD, which will in turn be a signal to go long on this position. MACDs can be useful in that scenario in terms they give you an indication. It doesn't predict the future because it calculates what just went on in the past, but it's giving an indication of where it's going, not guaranteed, but it's an indication nonetheless. Okay guys, we're going to cover the RSI. This is an RSI indicator right here. Again, on other systems you will have a line at the 30 like I'm showing now, and a line at the 70 slightly up here like I'm showing now. When it is above 70, it means it's overbought. When it's below 30, it means it's oversold. Again, when it's in around the 50 mark, it's consolidating. This once again is AKS on a 30-minute time frame. Depending on your style of trading, if you're a momentum play, you would be looking between the 1 to 2 and 5 minute time frames. So we're going to switch back to a 2-minute here on the RSI. You're now looking, if this was a momentum play with low float and high volume, which it's not, let's say it is, you'll be looking for the RSI to break above 70, hold above 70, when to enter and exit a trade. Now remember, momentum plays are in and out quite fast. So if this was a normal ticking stock like it is AKS, you would not enter on a position of 70 RSI, because what it's indicating there, it's saying it's overbought and it's getting ready to have a pullback. So where you'd be looking to buy on this scenario would be right here. Here's below the 30 at a time frame of 252, and it was a perfect indication here that it was indicating a buy signal. So hit here, indicating a buy signal above here. You would have bought in at 566. You would have probably maintained to 571. Again, not a huge move, but a slightly move, but it's still on the way up. Wouldn't have been a bad trade for an intraday play, even an overnight swing if you revert to the longer time frames. Again, just to go to a 30-minute chart, it is right at the 30 RSI, indicating a buy signal, that it's oversold, that it's showing, okay, people dumped it off here, they're getting rid of it, now it's time to start buying it up again to increase the price of the stock. Guys, if you have any questions in the MACD or the RSI, please message me. You can message me directly by email or leave a comment in the description below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.